This trip has been totally amazing. It has been for me 6 months in the making, going from, oh, I don't think I can do it because I've got a few quirks like being scared of heights, and to living a dream. I've always loved Genghis Khan and the Mongols and the Mongolian Empire. To actually be here is just really surreal. Highlights? Yeah, crossing a 3,200 meter mountain pass was pretty amazing. I did eke out, but that's okay. Erika got me through. Thank you, Erika. And yeah, the whole thing, I would totally recommend it, and I hope maybe one day I might even be able to do it again. So highlights some more, the wildflowers, even though it was raining, which was just so chirpy and beautiful, the petroglyphs, the glacier. And if you love astrophotography, which is star photography like I do, seriously go to base camp because you will not see a better Milky Way